How long will it take to fix the heating problem upstairs?
Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. In this episode, we will be discussing the estimated time it will take to resolve the heating problem upstairs. If you've been experiencing issues with the heating system in your home, you're in the right place. Stick around as we break down the factors that can influence the duration of the repair process. Let's get started.
Assessing the cause of the heating problem.
The first step in determining how long it will take to fix the heating problem is to identify the root cause. Is it a malfunctioning thermostat, a clogged air filter, or a more complex issue within the heating system? To accurately assess the problem, it is recommended to consult a professional HVAC technician. They have the expertise to diagnose the underlying issue and provide an estimate of the repair timeline.
Complexity of the heating system.
The complexity of the heating system plays a significant role in determining the repair duration. Is it a simple standalone heater or part of a centralized HVAC system? Standalone heaters are typically easier to troubleshoot and repair, while centralized systems may involve multiple components and intricate ductwork. In the case of centralized systems, the repair timeline may be extended due to the need for careful inspection and potential coordination with other specialists.
Availability of replacement parts.
Another factor that can affect the time required for the repair is the availability of replacement parts. Are the necessary components readily available, or do they need to be ordered? Common parts for well-known heating systems are often stocked by HVAC suppliers and can be obtained quickly. However, if the system is older or has specialized components, it may take longer to source the required parts, which could prolong the repair process.
Scheduling and workload.
The availability and schedule of the HVAC technician also play a role in determining the repair timeline. Is the technician readily available, or are there other ongoing projects in their schedule? It's important to consider the workload of the technician and any potential scheduling conflicts that may arise. The repair time can vary depending on the technician's availability and the priority assigned to your heating problem. In conclusion, the time it will take to fix the heating problem upstairs depends on various factors. These include the cause of the problem, the complexity of the heating system, the availability of replacement parts, and the scheduling and workload of the HVAC technician. To get an accurate estimate, it is best to consult a professional who can assess the specific situation and provide you with a time frame for the repair. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.